In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Free Fire from Google Play Store on PC. This guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. If Free Fire is available in your region through Google Play Games on PC, you can install it directly without using a third-party Android emulator. So, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your Windows PC. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. This action is essential because the browser is your gateway to the internet, allowing you to access the Google Play Games website. Once your browser is open, you'll see the address bar at the top. This is where you'll enter the URL to reach the Google Play Games site. A reliable web browser ensures that you have a smooth experience while downloading the necessary software. Next, go to the Google Play Games website. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Google Play Games site and hit enter. This takes you to the official page where you can find all the information related to Google Play Games on PC. It's important to ensure you are on the official site to avoid any security risks. Once the page loads, you will see various details about the service, including the games supported and features offered. This step sets the foundation for downloading Free Fire seamlessly. Now, download and install Google Play Games on PC. Look for the download button on the website. Clicking this will start downloading the installer file to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. This process is crucial as it prepares your PC to run Android games efficiently. The installation ensures that you have the necessary tools to access the Google Play Store directly on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch Google Play Games and sign in with your Google account. You will see an icon for Google Play Games on your desktop or in the Start menu. Clicking on it will open the application. When prompted, enter your Google account credentials. This step is vital because it links your Google account to the app, allowing you to access your games and save progress. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one during this process. Once signed in, you will see a user-friendly interface with various game options. Next, use the search bar to search for Free Fire or Free Fire Max. At the top of the Google Play Games window, there is a search bar. Click inside this bar and type Free Fire or Free Fire Max. Hitting enter will display the search results. This is an important step because it helps you locate the game you want to play. You will see a list of games matching your search criteria. Once you find Free Fire, you can continue to the next step. Select the game from the search results. Click on the icon for Free Fire or Free Fire Max to view its details. This page will show you information about the game, including its features and ratings. Selecting the correct game ensures that you are downloading the right version. This careful selection helps you avoid downloading similar games that may not provide the same experience. Now click Install. You will see an Install button on the game's page. Clicking this will begin the download and installation process for Free Fire on your PC. This step is crucial because it initiates the actual setup of the game. Once you click Install, the progress bar will appear, showing you how much of the game has been downloaded. It's reassuring to know that this process usually completes within a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Finally, after the installation is complete, click Play to launch the game. Once the installation finishes, you will see a Play button appear. Clicking this will start Free Fire, allowing you to dive into the action. This step is the culmination of all your efforts and marks the beginning of your gaming experience. Enjoy your game and have fun.